Hello to my unique people. Hi to my unique bays. Welcome back to my channel. This is Unique Skin. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel today. I'm so glad you are able to tune in. Thank you. Today I'll be talking about some lotion with this serum. Okay, I did talk about the serum in my last video, so I thought of bringing the lotion too together to talk about them. These are wonderful lotion and serum to use when you wanna you wanna go your lightening journey or your whitening skin journey. They are very wonderful serum and they are made with natural whitening ingredients that are very good for the skin. Okay, so they are lovely lotion. So the first one I'll be talking about is the pure carrot let me see, pure carrot gold lotion. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, pure carrot gold lotion. Okay, pure carrot gold lotion is made with abutine and is a lightening lotion. It's a lightening lotion. It's made with abutine. Okay, it's a wonderful lotion that when you use it on your skin, you tend to have a very good moisturizing and good result. It's actually well moisturizing. Yeah, it's well moisturizing and it gives a wonderful good result. Now, if you just want to have like the moisturizing and the kind of lightening number one shade, okay, two shade, you could just do this alone. Okay, but if you want to hasten because you know it's a natural lotion, it's not gonna give you like 1 week 2 week kind of result. Don't expect that kind of result, no. So because it's a natural kind of lotion, it's not gonna give you like the 1 week 2 weeks kind of result which you want, but with consistent use you are sure to get a good result. You know, it's not made you don't have any steroid in it, or you don't have hydroquinone in it, so don't expect to have the result in a week or in 2 weeks. Okay, now if you want the result like to double, to be faster, all you need to do is just get the pure carrot serum. Okay, get the pure carrot serum, add both together. Now if you will be adding this to this is 60 ml and this is 450 ml. What you'll be doing is you'll be measuring 300 or 250 ml of this lotion, measure 250 ml of this, and add the whole of 60 ml of this serum to this. Okay, now there are different types of this lotion. I don't know if you have noticed, but I do know the different types, and be sure to get the original. Okay, if you get the authentic one, then you are good to go. So this is pure carrot gold. This is made with abutine. It's made with abutine powder. Okay, and it's a lovely combo to use. Now the second one I'll be talking about is the pure carrot bow balance lotion. Pure carrot bow balance lotion. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, okay, pure carrot bow balance lotion is made with carrot oil. Like the base of this lotion, it's carrot oil base. What do they mean by carrot oil base? Is instead of using some other kind of oil like the sunflower oil, the almond oil, the carrot oil is actually the base oil for this lotion. Okay, so and you know what carrot oil does to the skin. It's super moisturizing. Okay, it brightens the skin, and it also like an anti it's like an antioxidant to the skin. Okay, carrot. Okay, so it's very good. It's trust me, it's a lovely lotion. Okay, it's a lovely lotion, and it is intense. It is intense whitening care lotion. Now, this lotion is different from the serum. The serum is a whitenitizer, and this one is a whitening, like whitening care lotion. You can mix both together to get a faster result. Okay, you can mix both together to get a faster result, and these two combo will actually give you a very good glow on your skin. Okay, so all you need to do is add a whole lot of this bottle with it, which is 60 ml to 300 or 250 ml. If you can do 200, that will be better. So this is Bao Balance Pure Carrot Lotion. Okay, so the third one I'll be talking about is the Kojic Balance Pure Carrot Lotion. Kojic Balance Pure Carrot Lotion. Kojic Balance Pure Carrot Lotion is made with kojic acid, and it also has it has a carrot oil base. Okay, this is made with kojic acid, and it has a carrot oil base, and all you can do is just add this serum to this, and you will get a super effect with your collagen, of course, you know. And if you can add some extra whitening powders to it, that will be wonderful. Trust me, you will have a rapid result. That will be wonderful. So in case you need any of this, you know, any of this lotion, you could contact me on 347-681-8892. They are so wonderful that when you use them on your skin, or you use them for pro-mixing, you're sure to get a good feedback. Trust me, guys. Use them on your skin, or you use them for your pro-mixing, you're sure to get a very good feedback. Like I said, when using this lotion, because they are natural, you don't expect to get the result in a week or 2 weeks. The patient, because you are using a natural stuff, so you got to be patient. Okay, you probably will not see the effect on 2 weeks or 1 week. Now, it all boils down to skin type too, or how frequently you exfoliate your skin. A whole lot of people just have issues exfoliating their skin. It's so hard for them to get a body scrub. When you tell them, get a body scrub with your lotion or your oil, they say, no, you know, unique skin, oh, body scrub, I can't use it. You can't use body scrub, but you want a fast result. I don't do magic, please, guys. I don't do magic. I'm only into skincare, and I follow the rules. I do not do magic, okay? So you have to learn on how to follow the rules. Exfoliating your skin, it's very, very paramount. It's essential. It's highly important. So you have to exfoliate your skin. So if you can get a very good whitening scrub and use with this combo, any of this combo that I just showed you guys, oh man, you're sure to get a very good result. Trust me. And if you are exfoliating your skin, for people that have very tough skin, of course, you know, you have to exfoliate your skin regularly. For those that have very soft kind of skin, that does not mean you don't exfoliate your skin. All you need to do is you just reduce your exfoliating. If you have a soft skin, you could just exfoliate like twice, you know, twice a week. For those that have very strong skin, you probably have to do 4 times or even 5 times. Okay, so that's how hard skin is. Okay, so that the lotion and the oil or whatever you are using can easily penetrate into your skin. That is the reason why you have to exfoliate. And another good reason why you have to exfoliate is sometimes what you are using is already working, but because you are not exfoliating to shed out the dead skin, your skin, your outer layer skin will still remain, it will still remain dull, and you will feel what you're using is not working until you shed off the dead skin cells from your skin. Until you shed that off, then the inner skin will come brighter. That is the reason why you need to exfoliate regularly on your skin. Okay, like I said, for me, there's some time I do not use my lotion for like 3 to 6 months. Trust me, all I do is I just moisturize my skin. Okay, I use my face serum that I make by myself. Okay, that is coming on soon. And I do exfoliate my skin. I exfoliate my skin. I use my 3D soap, Asian 5D soap, and my black soap, and that's it. And you will be good. So it is good to actually, exfoliate your skin. Is very, very important. All right, guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you for tuning in. In case you want any of this product, please do contact me on 347-681-8892. My number again is +1 347-681-8892. WhatsApp only. Contact me on my WhatsApp, and you get any of this, the authentic one. Trust me, you get the authentic one. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Also, leave your comment down below and click the like button. Please, guys, share my video and always leave your comments on my comment section. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be signing out at Unique Skin. See you some other time. You know how we do it. Bye-bye. See ya. Okay, let me do this. Don't mind me. Bye-bye. All right, see you guys. Bye.